Hey everybody, Joel here. Listen, this is going to GVO members. I'm super excited about this. How would you like to get a bunch of other people, leverage other people to build you a massive money making email list? Every dime I've ever made online is because of list building. So listen, we're going to the public really shortly. If you look at the timer below, we're going to the public on Monday because I'm very loyal to our paying customers, because if it weren't for you guys, we wouldn't be in business. I want to bring this to you first. It gives you massive first movers advantage. So lock in now, because even if it's not something for you, as always, no questions asked, 30-day money back guarantee. So here's how this system works. I'm letting you know before anybody else. So this is you, okay? Anybody you refer, but I'm gonna just do 3 people. It can be 100 people, it can be 1,500 people. Anybody you refer, as soon as they start promoting the system for free, they're gonna generate leads. So let's say this person here that you referred generates 5 leads. This person generates 25 leads a day. This person generates another 25 leads a day. Well, that's what, 55 leads. All of those 55 leads come back into your autoresponder. Now, remember, it can be more than 3. It can be 100 on the first level. So this is the first viral marketing system where your email marketing is included, and it allows others to build you a massive money-making list. Literally, you'll be sleeping at night, making money because people are building your email list for you. Email marketing is the key to your success, but building your list is hard until now with List Elevate. So again, I can't stress this enough. Nobody knows about this but you guys right now. Lock in now. It's going to give you first movers advantage, because you can see once we go to the general public, this is going to go viral like crazy really quickly, where people are going to build you a massive list of all those leads coming back to you. It could be thousands and thousands of leads a day. So read the rest of this webpage. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Lock in now, and we'll see you when we go public.